I'm Lindsay Olivarez. I'm one of the family law attorneys here at Udall Shumway. I'll be talking today a little bit about a section of our practice that we deal with for enforcement of orders. This comes about in a couple of different ways. Perhaps you have a decree of dissolution or legal separation that deals with allocation of property or debt, and sometimes this manifests as an order for child support or spousal maintenance that someone's not paying on. So let's first talk about property and debt. When someone is supposed to give you something or pay something in your decree of dissolution or legal separation, your option when they stop paying or don't pay at all is to file what's called a petition to enforce the decree. People have heard the term contempt, and I'm often asked, well, can I have them found in contempt? And in Arizona, you actually can't for property and debts. That's something that our Arizona Constitution prohibits, and the case law follows that there is no debtor's prison, and therefore we can't find contempt on people who don't pay or give up property the way they're supposed to. The court can still enforce it, but not through that contempt action where someone might actually go to jail. Now, contempt is available for spousal maintenance and child support non-payment. That's usually seen when someone has the ability to pay, knew they were supposed to pay, and just flatly didn't. Usually a contempt finding and subsequent jail is not going to be awarded or is not going to be enforced against that party when they've made at least some attempt, some appreciable attempt to pay on that debt, that spousal maintenance or child support debt, or it's their first time, or they're not significantly behind in their obligation. You usually see that when there's sort of a repeat non-payment happening, or the payment is hugely deficient and they've really made no effort. So those are a couple of ways you can enforce your orders with respect to property and debts, and also with respect to spousal maintenance and child support. If you find yourself in the need for any of these services, please give us a call and we'd be happy to help.